Hello everyone, my name is Payal Sen. I will teach you law of torts. So this is the very first video of this subject. Our today's topic is Introduction to Law of Torts. So what is law of tort? The word tort is of French origin and is equivalent to the English word wrong. It is derived from a Latin word tortum, which means twisted or crooked. So we can understand that the word tort is a French word. The meaning of tort is, the English meaning of tort is wrong, जो गलत है. And the word tort is derived from a Latin word tortum, which means twisted or crooked. So we can clearly understand that tort is a wrong, tort is an act which is not straight, that is twisted or crooked. It implies conduct that is twisted or crooked. Tort is commonly used to mean a breach of duty amounting to a civil wrong. So we can understand that tort is a civil wrong. This is not a criminal wrong. So we can very easily discriminate tort from a crime. In the next video lecture, we will discuss about the distinction between tort and crime and tort and contract. So Salmon is a very eminent jurist. He defined that tort as a civil wrong for which the remedy is a common law action for unliquidated damages and which is not exclusively the breach of contract or breach of trust or other merely equitable obligation. तो सलमान के हिसाब से दिस इज अ सिविल रॉन्ग और एक्सक्लूसिवली इट इज़ नॉट अ ब्रीच ऑफ कॉन्ट्रैक्ट. ब्रीच ऑफ कॉन्ट्रैक्ट नहीं है, ब्रीच ऑफ ट्रस्ट नहीं है और कोई भी इक्विटेबल ऑब्लिगेशन नहीं है. दिस इज़ ऑफ अ डिफरेंट नेचर. एज आई वॉज टेलिंग यू दैट वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट द डिस्टिंक्शंस बिटवीन दीज थिंग्स, बिटवीन टॉर्ट एंड क्राइम एंड कॉन्ट्रैक्ट. Tort arises due to the person's duty to others, which is created by one law or the other. A person who commits a tort is known as the tortfeasor or wrongdoer. जो क्राइम कमिट करता है we told them a criminal, but जो tort कमिट करता है we tell or we call them as a tortfeasor or a wrongdoer. There are more than one. अगर ज़्यादा है, एक से ज़्यादा अगर है, then we call them joint tortfeasor. Their wrongdoing is called tortus act and they are liable to be sued jointly and severally. Okay? तो tort का जो action है, जिस act की वजह से they are tortfeasor, this act is called tortus act. और उनको जॉइंटली और सेवरली डिफरेंटली भी स्यू किया जा सकता है. सो कम टू द पॉइंट दैट हाउ द लॉ ऑफ टॉर्ट इज इवॉल्व्ड इन इंडिया, द इवोल्यूशन ऑफ लॉ ऑफ टॉर्ट्स इन इंडिया. द लॉ ऑफ टॉर्ट्स इन इंडिया इज मेनली द इंग्लिश लॉ ऑफ टॉर्ट्स विच इज बेस्ड ऑन द प्रिंसिपल ऑफ कॉमन लॉ. This was made suitable to the Indian conditions in accordance with the principle of justice, equity and good conscience. Law of tort जो है वो common law means जैसे it is universally accepted, universally recognized law. But इंडिया के conditions के साथ, इंडिया के situations, इंडिया के लॉज के साथ अकॉर्डिंगली मैच करने के लिए कुछ प्रिंसिपल्स को ऐड ऑन किया है और उसके साथ सूटेबली एडजस्ट करा गया है इन अकॉर्डेंस विद द of justice, equity and good conscience in some Indian laws, in some Indian conditions and circumstances. However, the application of tort laws in India is not a very regular event, and one can even go to the extent of commenting that tort as a law in India is far from being looked upon as a major branch of law and litigation. इंडिया में टॉर्ट को इतना ज़्यादा नहीं वैल्यू दिया जाता है. हम जब भी टॉर्ट के आगे के जो टॉपिक्स के बारे में जब हम स्टडी करेंगे, वी विल सी दैट देयर आर सेवरल केसेस, foreign cases are there, foreign landmark cases are there in various topics, but in India there are very few tort cases. In India, in Indian legal system, the concept of punishment occupies a more prominent place than compensation for wrongs. India में tort actually it's a civil wrong and it is not very serious. This is very, in India it is called very petty cases, small cases. People avoid going to the courts for these simple cases. They actually in Indian legal system punishment का जो concept है ये ज़्यादा लोगों के माइंड में बैठा है. compensation के लिए लोग बहुत कम ऑप्ट करते हैं. और मैं एक बात और कह देती हूँ, क्राइम के लिए पनिशमेंट मिलता है बट टॉर्ट में compensation is the end of justice. So this is the topic for today, the introduction of torts and evolution of law of torts in India. This was the introductory lecture of this subject. I hope you enjoyed the session and you have understand the topic. So bye for the day. We will meet in the next video lecture very soon. Thank you.